behind me. What you got, Gracie?
Gracie, come on, what you got?
Gracie,
and here comes Gracie.
Uh-oh.
She's trying to model Athena.
Athena's going to snatch it off her.
Here she goes.
Uh-oh, Athena got it.
Oh no, Athena got it from Gracie.
Oh, Gracie, come on, get it back. Go on, Samantha, get it for Gracie.
She's trying to let him catch it.
Yeah. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Get it, Samantha. Oh, I'll smack you on the head with that.
It reminds me of what Kara used to do with Ernie.
You're teasing them. See, I'm a tease, I really am. Go get it, Gracie. I think Gracie's slowing down.
Probably.
Little legs, then.
Hey, Gracie, you stole your roti.
Oh, poor Gracie. Oh, I'll just get another one.
Here, what's this one? You don't like that one? You don't like
Drops
that
like a halfwinger.
one? Where'd he go?
Oh, she's got it. Oh, there she's off.
Uh-oh.
Whoa, she sees Samantha coming.